At first glance, gift and present are often used interchangeably, especially around birthdays and holidays. And largesse that the odd one out. Right? Let's dive deeper. Let's first spare largesse for a moment as it's a bit different than rest of the two and explore subtle difference between present and gift. Largesse refers to generous gift. It contains a tone of generosity, ostentatiousness, showing off one's nobility or wealth, or charitable donations, often public or symbolic. So largesse has majestic tone or large or huge in order to show off one's wealth or nobility. It's also a gift, but it amounts to millions or generally more than expectations of general public. Now coming towards the difference between present and gift. To the recipient, both means same. If somebody receives present or gift, it seems same for the recipient. But for the giver, they may have subtle difference. For example, present has somewhat formal tone. For example, it's often given to bosses or somebody you bear a formal relationship. On the other hand, gift is a bit informal. You choose to give to your close acquaintances. Another difference is gift is normally given selflessly or altruistically. In other words, you expect nothing in return. On the other hand, when you give present, sometimes you expect sometimes of some type of favor. For example, you give present to your boss, you may be expecting to have holidays, extra holidays than normal people. Another difference is gift is also used metaphorically, but present is not. For example, gift can be used as God gifted talent, God gifted ability, etc. Now, coming towards etymology of these words, gift comes from Old Norse gift meaning something given. Interestingly, it is related to the word give, so it's deeply rooted in the idea of giving. Present comes from Latin presenter, meaning to place before or to show. Through Old French present, it took on the meaning of offering something ceremoniously. Largesse from Latin largus, meaning abundant or plentiful, and passed through Old French as largesse, indicating generosity. Think of medieval kings distributing largesse to their subjects. So, etymologically speaking, gift comes from the act of giving, present comes from placing before, and largesse comes from abundance or generosity. Let's make these stick with some mnemonic tricks. Gift. Think of gift as given in free trust. It implies emotional value or intent. G stands for given, I in F free, T trust. Gift is equal to given in free trust. Now present. Imagine someone presenting you something on stage or during a celebration. So present is giving away something formally. Now largesse. Think this word as largesse is equal to large plus generosity. Picture a large sack of money being distributed generously. Now let's see these in action with quick examples. She gave me a thoughtful gift for my promotion. Personal, meaningful, emotional. He brought a present to the dinner party. Formal or social tied to an event. The billionaire's largesse funded the new library. Grand, public, and generous. In short, gift is emotional, present is ceremonial, largesse is generous and often grand. To sum it up, gift something meaningful given freely, present something given on a specific occasion, often ceremoniously. Large is a generous or noble offering, often in large amounts.